Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you are fine. I am fine too. Alright, so this is lecture 3 of elementary level. I hope you are ready for the class. You are watching the video and learning English at home. And this is Mohammad Hamad. Okay, before going towards topic, before starting the today's class, I have one question for you. The question is a bit tricky. I hope you will get the answer very easily. So the question is, what is that language what everyone can understand? जो कौन सी ज़बान है जो हर शख्स समझ सकता है? Okay, so just think and bring the answer. We will discuss. I will share the answer right at the end of the class. So let's move on to the today's class. Today we are going to talk about speaking. Today's topic is related to speaking. That is the topic, and the topic is talking about your hobbies in English. How to talk about hobbies in English? हम अपने hobbies को किस तरह English में बता सकते हैं? There are different ways. Free time. There are different questions, answers, vocabulary. So all in one, we are going to learn how to speak hobbies differently, or how to speak about hobbies in depth. Okay, so let's start without wasting the time. Before going towards topic, I remember in previous class we had a couple of assignments regarding composing a story, and we had a worksheet of present simple tense. Many students attempted the worksheet, and it was a good performance, not bad. There were some confusions, but students got themselves understood by themselves, so very good. Alright, fine. Now it's time for this topic. Okay, so first of all, the question is how we can ask about hobbies. हम किसी की hobby किस तरह पूछ सकते हैं? अगर हमें पूछना है कि भाई आपकी hobby means मशगला, जो किसी शख्स जो वो काम अपने फारिग वक्त में करता है या फारिग वक्त में करना पसंद करता है, ठीक है? सो हॉबी. तो अगर आप किसी की हॉबी पूछना चाहते हैं तो देयर आर सम बेसिक क्वेश्चन. हम पूछते हैं व्हाट इज योर हॉबी और व्हाट आर योर हॉबीज. इसके अलावा भी हम मुख्तलिफ तरीके से हॉबी पूछ सकते हैं. वेरी सिंपल. द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डू यू लाइक डूइंग? व्हाट डू यू लाइक डूइंग? लाइक आपको क्या करना पसंद है? लाइक दिस इज अनदर स्टाइल. वही मतलब आप मशगला ही पूछ रहे हैं, लेकिन आप दूसरे अंदाज से पूछ रहे हैं, क्योंकि वो इंसान वही काम करता है जो उसको पसंद होता है फ्री टाइम में. ओके, सो व्हाट डू यू लाइक डूइंग? व्हाट डू यू लाइक डूइंग? सेकंड, व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ हॉबीज डू यू हैव? सॉर्ट ऑफ जो है वर्ड इस्तेमाल होता है, लाइक किस तरह की आपकी हॉबीज किस तरह की है? लाइक हॉबीज पूछ रहे हो, और लेकिन आप हॉबीज के बारे में मजीद आपको डिटेल में पूछना चाह रहे हैं. और व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ हॉबीज डू यू हैव? What do you like doing? Next, what do you get up to? This is very good sentence. What do you get up to in your free time? मतलब आप क्या करते हैं? In easy words, you can say what do you do, but it is it sounds good. सुनने में अच्छा लगता है, and it is grammatical sentence. So what do you get up to in your free time? आप अपने फारिग वक्त में क्या करते हैं? And the last but not the least, what do you do in your spare time? So these are the questions what you can ask about to know the hobbies of the person, the people you are communicating with, जिनसे आप बात कर रहे हैं, जिससे आप conversation कर रहे हैं. So these are the questions. Let's talk about the answers. आपको आंसर देने तो आप किस तरह आंसर दे सकते हैं? There are different ways, different sentences you can use. You can reply with जिससे आप जवाब दे सकते हैं. I have got some answers. You can say, अगर आपसे कोई पूछे what's your hobby, or what do you do in your free time, or what do you like doing? So you can say in my free time. आप इस तरह start करेंगे. In my free time I play video games, or in my free time I use mobile phone. In my free time I chat with my friends. In my free time I play cricket, whatsoever. Okay, so in my free time. Okay, another style, एक और अंदाज बताने का, when I have some spare time, जब मेरे पास फारिग वक्त होता है. So it is also another style. अक्सर लोगों के पास फारिग वक्त नहीं होता, तो they say like normally I don't have spare time, but when I have a spare time or when I get some or when I have some spare time, तो वो शुरू करते में बस होता नहीं टाइम एक्चुअली नॉर्मली या जनरली अमूमन मेरे पास टाइम नहीं होता जनरली आई डोंट हैव फ्री टाइम या आई डोंट गेट फ्री बट व्हेन आई गेट और व्हेन आई हैव सम फ्री टाइम आई हैंग आउट विद माई फ्रेंड्स मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ आउटिंग पर जाता हूँ I play football, so it is also a good sentence. Next, when I get the time, it also means जब मुझे वक्त मिलता है जब मुझे फारिग होता है meanings are almost same, लगभग एक जैसा ही है but styles are different. Okay, we are talking about speaking वही अच्छी लगती है जो थोड़ा सा different होती है, so that's why I'm giving you different options. Like आप different जुमले कहेंगे तो your speaking will sound good, okay? आपकी speaking अच्छी लगेगी, okay? And the listener will enjoy your words you're speaking. So you can say when I get time. If I say what do you do in your free time? सवाल आपसे कोई पूछे तो you can say when I get the time I sleep. You can say when I get the time I tease my brothers, I tease my or I cook. When I get the time, I have snacks or I watch a movie. When I get the time, in my free time, when I have some spare time, when I get the time. Last but not the least, very common. My hobby is. What's your hobby? My hobby is reading novels. Or sometimes you have hobbies more than one, so you can say my hobbies are. Okay. अगर सिंगुलर है तो is, प्लूरल है तो hobbies. I'm writing here hobbies are. Hobbies. Y will be replaced by is and is will be replaced by are. Y की जगह hobbies is आ जाएगा और इसकी जगह आ जाएगा are. तो my hobbies are playing and art and craft work. Okay, arts and crafts. My hobbies are watching movie and hanging out with friends. Okay, so इस तरह आप अपने जवाब का आगाज कर सकते हैं. सवाल, questions and different questions, different answers. Now let's move on. If you want to add some spices और आप इसको आप explain कर दें, वो भी आप simply आप एक जुमले में बता सकते हैं. But when you want to add details or when you want to explain your hobbies, it's very good. Because speaking, you need to speak more, and the people who speak about their hobbies, they are very keen to express more. तो अगर आप अपने hobbies के बारे में और बताना चाहते हैं तो आप किस तरह बता सकते हैं? Here are some examples. For example, what do you do in your spare time? I can say when I get the time, I read books. ये आपने बता दिया, जवाब खत्म. आगे क्या बोलना है? आगे आप ये इन जुमलों को इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. हाँ, नंबर 1, I am interested in means मैं दिलचस्पी रखता हूँ या रखती हूँ. I am interested in के बाद आप एक नाउन इस्तेमाल करेंगे, नाउन या जरन. नाउन या जरन क्या होता है? राइटिंग हियर नाउन और जरन. नाउन is a name. The noun is a naming word. कोई भी स्पोर्ट्स का नाम हो सकता है, कोई भी जगह का नाम हो सकता है, कोई भी शख्स का नाम हो सकता है. Gerund is basically a verb treating or behaving like noun. Like verb है play. मैं लगाता हूँ playing. अब playing is a noun. For example, if I give you example, I play cricket. Okay, play is used as an infinitive form of verb, first form. If I just convert this sentence into continuous, I am playing cricket. Playing is here is a verb. अब मैं इसको gerund के तौर पर इस्तेमाल कैसे करूँगा? I like playing. मुझे खेलना पसंद है. तो ये जो playing है वो gerund है, मतलब वो noun है. Verb क्या है? Like. I like playing. I like dancing. I like speaking. तो जब verb noun के तौर पर इस्तेमाल होता है जिसे हम gerund कहते हैं. So I guess you've got it. Noun like verb plus ing can also treat like gerund. तो आप I am interested in के बाद noun या gerund लगाएंगे. For example, I am interested in speaking or I am interested in talking to my friends. I'm interested in books, novels. I'm interested in playing. Fine. So इस तरह आप अपने जुमले बना सकते हैं. I'm interested in. Second, I am keen on. Keen on के साथ भी आप noun या gerund लगाएंगे. I am keen on surfing, visiting different websites. I am keen on Facebook. I am keen on using Facebook. I am keen on hanging out with friends. Fine. तो जो आप keen हो, मतलब keen on also means interested. ऐसा काम जो करने में आप दिलचस्पी रखते हैं. I am keen on. Keen on के बाद noun या gerund लगेगा. फर्स्ट फॉर्म नहीं लगेगा. I am keen on do नहीं होगा. I am keen on doing होगा. ठीक है. I am keen on cooking. Fine. इस तरह होगा. नेक्स्ट, I am into. बहुत अच्छा वर्ड है, बहुत ज्यादा इस्तेमाल होता है. I am into also means किसी भी काम में आप इंटरेस्टेड हो, जब आप किसी काम में दिलचस्पी लेते हैं. Like I am into books. Like मुझे when I like my hobby is reading books. I'm really into the books and I really enjoy reading the books because I like this, I like that. You can go like this. I am into traveling. Same. Noun या gerund लगेगा, ठीक है? First form नहीं लगेगी. Interested in, keen on, into, almost same meaning. I enjoy. Like hobby आपने बताई. For example, my hobby. What's your hobby? My hobby is gardening. I enjoy planting and watering the plants. I enjoy sitting in the garden. Like that, okay? So you can use these words or these structures to explain more about your hobby. Last but not the least, okay? I have an example. आप अगर अपनी हॉबी को एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, ओके, डिटेल में आप ऐड करते हैं. यहाँ पर मैं एक और चीज मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा. आई रिमेम्बर, अगर आप किसी बात पर जोर देना चाहते हैं तो आप जो है दो वर्ड्स का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. क्यों? कौन से? रियली, REALLY, रियली, या क्वाइट. I am really interested in visiting new places. I am quite into novels. I really enjoy hanging out with friends. जब आप अपनी बात पे जोर देते हैं, emphasis. जब आप किसी बात पे emphasis मतलब जोर देते हैं, तो emphasis करने के लिए आप really या quite word इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. These are very good expressions you can use, okay, to emphasize on your action जो आपको daily routine like hobby में करना, like hobby के बारे में पसंद है. I am quite into. Easy, I guess. Don't be confused. It's very simple. When you will make it, there you will learn by yourself. I have an example here. A good example that you can speak your hobby. For example, there's a boy. He says, I like arts and crafts. I am a creative person and like doing things with my hands. For example, give you more example. This is one example you can write down. If you talk about me, so my hobbies are one of my hobbies. मेरी एक hobby जो है reading newspaper. So if, for example, you ask me, what's your hobby? My hobbies are many. One of my hobbies is reading newspaper. I really like exploring the things. I enjoy reading news about different places. It gives me information and I really enjoy it. Fine. तो इस तरह आप अपनी हॉबी को एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. Like it sounds good and you really have some more words on that. You can add flavors in it. Like जितना ज़्यादा आप डालेंगे उतना अच्छा होगा. I have some like supporting words you can use. Creative भी आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Like you have something creative. Fascinating means you're really interested in something is really interesting. बहुत दिलचस्प है, so it is really fascinating. Practical, you can say relaxing, by which you relax a lot. Enjoyable, it's very enjoyable. Okay, so these are the words. This is the topic of today. I hope you learned to explain your hobby or to describe your hobby, to tell, to be good at speaking. जो हॉबी बताने में आपको आसानी होगी, आपको नया वर्ड आपने कुछ ना कुछ सीखा होगा। लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, असाइनमेंट्स। यू हैव 2 असाइनमेंट्स फॉर टुडेस लेक्चर। असाइनमेंट नंबर 1, आपको अपनी हॉबी लिखनी है। यू हैव टू राइट योर हॉबी। It can be 3 to 4 lines, or it can be a paragraph, it can be a page, as you wish. Okay, but try not to write big and do many mistakes. थोड़ा लिखें, कम लिखें, लेकिन कोशिश करें सही लिखें और अच्छा लिखें। ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं लिखेगा। I would recommend you, I would suggest you that write less but qualityful. Okay. Next, recording your voice. You have a record your voice. I shared one audio clip with you in lecture 2. You listen in lecture 1, lecture 2. Same audio recording. You have to now record. You have to record your voice, and you will share with me your recording. So it's enough. I guess you learned a lot. Just answer of my question. वो कौन सी ज़बान है जो पहला बच्चा, like everyone understand? Yes, there are different languages. The very good answer or the practical answer is the sign language. Okay, if someone say come here, so you can come, bring. So this is a sign language, इशारों की ज़बान, और इसके अलावा मार की ज़बान और प्यार की ज़बान सबको समझ आ जाती है। So that was a bit funny. Thank you so much. I hope you learned. It's enough for today. अगर कोई question, anything you did not understand, you can ask me in comment area. So आज के लिए इतना ही. If you have not subscribed my channel, do it right now and share with your loved ones. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.